Hi, I'm Steven with Amerimax Home Products, here today to talk to you about our Flex-A-Spout. As with any rain diverting accessory, when installing, ensure there's a slope away from the foundation. We recommend 6 inches of fall in the first 10 feet away from the foundation. When we talk about Flex-A-Spout, this is one of our core rain diverting accessories. Its corrugated design allows it to bend, flex, and hold its shape so you can turn it around corners, landscaping, or bushes. This corrugated design also allows the product to extend up to a length of 55 inches. Comes in a wide variety of colors to complement any landscaping. And in order to be user-friendly, this product will fit 2x3 downspout, 3x4, 3-inch round, or 4-inch round. In order to expand your Flex-A-Spout product beyond the 55 inches, we've designed the product with cut lines that allow multiple units to snap together in order to add length. First, determine the end which you want to attach to your downspout. Then cut off the opposing end, and then cut off both ends of the Flex-A-Spout in which you want to attach to. Both units will then simply snap together to add length. Finally, in the event that you want to attach any of your Flex-A-Spouts to buried drainage, such as 4-inch corrugated or 4-inch smooth PVC, simply use the end with the 2x3, cut where indicated, and snap into either 4-inch corrugated or 4-inch smooth PVC. Thank you for tuning in to learn more about our Flex-A-Spout. You can find this and other rain diverting accessories from Amerimax Home Products at a local retailer near you.